Hi guys, my name is Belgam Gabriel. I'm a documentary photographer and I'm based in Riverside, Nigeria. I photo document and preserve endangered cultural heritages in southern Nigeria. Well, more recently, I've been trying to shift my practice from photography to videography as a way of telling better stories and everything. This is my first YouTube video. When you sign up with YouTube, you need to have like things all set up and everything. But I was like, like I'm not gonna do that. Like I don't care about the lighting, I don't care about the audio, I don't really care about anything. I'm just gonna put it out because I've been procrastinating a lot, and so I feel I need to showcase more of the cultural heritages we have in southern Nigeria. And so yeah, and so for once I'm gonna start, and then I'm gonna look back after so many months coming and say, okay, this is how my first video was, and I'll see how far I've come from there. So a new chapter, right? So let's see how it goes. Bye guys. Oh yeah, I remember I said bye, but yeah, so I'm going to show like a 30 seconds clip of different videos that I've put together throughout my time in the past 3-4 years as a photographer. Like whenever I go out and take pictures, I usually have like short video clips I make, so I'm gonna put them to have like not like a b-roll, yeah, just to show you what my practice looks like and how far I've come in this journey. So this time by that's lame.